Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make avocado recipes. To begin, selecting the right avocado is key. Look for fruit that yields slightly when you gently press it. If too firm, leave them on your counter at room temperature until they ripen. Once ripe, store them in the refrigerator. To keep prepared avocado from browning, a squeeze of lemon or lime juice works wonders, preserving its vibrant green color and fresh taste. Now, let's craft the perfect guacamole, a true crowd pleaser. Start by mashing 2 ripe avocados with a fork, leaving some delightful chunks for texture. Next, fold in about 1/4 cup of finely diced red onion and 1 tablespoon of fresh cilantro. Season this vibrant mixture with approximately 1/2 teaspoon of salt and the bright, zesty juice of 1 whole lime. Give it a good stir, and it's ready to be enjoyed with your favorite chips or as a delicious topping. Avocado toast is a simple yet incredibly satisfying meal or snack. Begin by toasting 2 slices of your preferred bread until they are perfectly golden brown and crisp. Then, take 1/2 of a mashed avocado and spread it generously and evenly over each warm slice. For a delightful finish, you can sprinkle a pinch of red pepper flakes for a subtle kick, or elevate it further with a perfectly poached egg on top. It's a quick and healthy option for any time of day. Beyond toast and guacamole, avocados are incredibly versatile. Try adding about 1/4 of a diced avocado to your green salads. It provides a wonderful creaminess and a boost of healthy fats. For a nutritious start to your day, blend 1/2 of an avocado into your morning smoothie, making it extra smooth and satisfying. Avocados are packed with 20 essential vitamins and minerals, offering fantastic nutritional benefits in every bite. They truly are a superfood for any meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.